Transform your garden with easy backyard plants. Looking to a backyard, dive into the world of garden with these simple yet stunning plants. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned garden, there are some for very one of this thrive collection from colorful flowers. Lush greenery to get transform your backyard outdoor space into a vibrant focus. Join us on this botanical journey and let's get planting. Welcome to our backyard paradise. Today we are sharing with us simple yet beautiful plants yet your garden. Cut a various shots of different plants begin planted and cared for. Know for its soothing fragrance and lovely purpose blooms perfect for borders containers. Ultimate wide or rock garden, vertical landscape and large flowers bed. Dive into the world of landscaping device designed with a comprehensive guide to rock garden, vertical landscape and large flower beds. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. In this video you can see garden ideas. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Learn how to transform your outdoor space in a stunning showcase of the nature beauty. Footage of lush garden with rock features, vertical plants and vibrant flower beds. Rock garden offer a unique approach of which 20 blend natural elements with the artist. Clear start by selecting a variety of rocks in different shapes, sizes, colors, create really interested. Arrange them strategically, considering elevation and natural contours for a harmonious layout. Craft the mix throughout to get plants like succulents, pines, low-growing perennials and complement the rocky terrain. Intricate water features such as small ponds, cascading streams, and add a tranquility to your rock garden showcase. Remember to balance textures and colors for choosing and dynamic landscaping that involves or throughout seasons. Vertical landscaping an excellent solution for maximizing space and adding a vertical interest rate to your garden. Explore options like wall-mounted planters, trellis and modular system to create a stunning vertical garden. Choose plants that thrive in the vertical environment such as climbing vines. So that's all today's video. If you like these ideas, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on this video, share to your friends and family members. Remember to like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share to your friends and family members. Bye.